How to share responses from Google Forms. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a few methods to share your responses from Google Forms. First thing you have to do is simply go to Google Forms and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see. Now just make sure to sign into your account. Once you sign in, go ahead and click on the form where you want to share your responses. So the first and the most efficient way to share responses is go to responses over here, tap on the three dots, and then from here you can simply go ahead and download the responses as CSV file, and then you can do it. Then click on share, and then you want to share it with the other people. So on the responder view, on the editor view, it's restricted. I'll do anyone with the link. Or what you can do is copy the editor link, and then send it to people. The other thing you can do is simply go ahead and select the email over here. What I'll do is just type in the email. From the responder, I'll just select editor and then click on send. Now they should get access to this form over here as a editor, and then they'll also be able to see the responses. The next thing you can do is link this to your Google Sheet. Tap on link to sheet, create a new Google Sheet. And then from there, you can easily share the link to the Google Sheet. Tap on share. Do the same thing. Just go ahead and type in the form responses or copy the link. Make sure anyone with the link is selected as a viewer, not editor. And then you can just share the link. One more thing you can do is download it as a PDF. Go to the three dots on responses, go to print responses, and then it's going to show you a preview right over here. Now all you have to do is download this as a PDF and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.